Every single second of every day, shoppers around the globe spend more than $2 million online. That adds up to over $7 trillion in sales this year alone. E-commerce is not just a convenience anymore. It is the backbone of modern retail. But this powerhouse did not appear overnight. It grew from humble, even clumsy beginnings into the unstoppable force it is today. Stick around to discover how a simple idea sparked a revolution that changed the way the world buys and sells. Hello, and welcome back to Objectified. If you enjoy uncovering the hidden stories behind everyday technologies, you are in the right place. Today, we dive deep into the evolution of e-commerce platforms. We trace its roots back to the dawn of the digital age and follow its path through breakthroughs, booms, and busts. By the end, you will understand why online shopping feels so effortless now and where it heads next. Let us begin this fascinating journey. The seeds of e-commerce were planted long before the World Wide Web existed. In 1969, CompuServe launched as one of the first commercial internet service providers. Businesses started using it to exchange electronic data interchange, or EID messages. This allowed companies to send purchase orders and invoices digitally, cutting out paper entirely. Fast forward to 1979, British inventor Michael Aldrich changed everything. He connected a modified television to a real-time transaction processing computer via a domestic telephone line. This setup let consumers browse a catalog and order goods from home. Aldrich called it teleshopping. The first real test came in 1980 when a small grocery chain in the UK used his system for orders. By 1982, France rolled out Minitel, a nationwide videotex system. Over 25 million terminals reached households. People booked train tickets, reserved hotels, and even bought airline seats online. Minitel generated billions in revenue and proved that digital commerce worked on a massive scale. Across the Atlantic, the Boston Computer Exchange launched that same year. It became the first online marketplace for used computers. Sellers listed items, and buyers placed orders through email. No fancy website yet, just bulletin board systems. The big leap happened in 1990 when Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. Suddenly, information flowed freely. In 1991, the first website went live at CERN. E-commerce was about to explode. 1992 brought Bookstacks Unlimited, the first online bookstore. Charles Stack built it for his father, a rare book dealer. Customers searched a database and ordered books with credit cards. It later became books.com. Then, in 1994, Netmarket made history. On August 11th, Pizza Hut advertised the first online ad, but the real milestone was the first secure online purchase. A man in Philadelphia bought a Sting CD for $12.48 using encryption. No one knew it then, but that transaction kicked off a new era. These early platforms faced huge hurdles: slow dial-up internet, clunky interfaces, and widespread fear of fraud kept adoption low. Yet, they laid the foundation for what came next. The mid-1990s marked the true birth of e-commerce as we know it. In July 1995, Jeff Bezos launched Amazon from his garage in Seattle. It started as an online bookstore with 10 titles. Within 2 months, sales hit $20,000 a day. Amazon pioneered one-click ordering and customer reviews, features that became industry standards. Just a month later, in September 1995, Pierre Omidyar created AuctionWeb. It allowed users to bid on collectibles. The site renamed to eBay in 1997 and grew into a global auction powerhouse. Payments were a pain point. In 1998, Elon Musk co-founded XCOM, which merged with Confinity to become PayPal. Secure, easy digital payments fueled e-commerce growth. The dot-com boom of the late 1990s saw thousands of startups. Pets.com promised pet supplies delivered to your door. It raised $82 million but collapsed in 2000 when the bubble burst. Survivors adapted. Amazon expanded beyond books to everything. eBay added Buy It Now buttons. In 1999, Jack Ma started Alibaba in China, focusing on B2B wholesale. The 2000s brought broadband internet and smartphones. Mobile commerce emerged in 2007 with the iPhone. Apps like Amazon's mobile site made shopping portable. Social media joined the party. In 2009, Facebook launched Marketplace. Instagram shopping followed in 2018. The 2010s accelerated innovation. Big data and AI personalized recommendations. Netflix-style algorithms suggested products based on your history. Amazon Prime, launched in 2005, offered free two-day shipping and locked-in loyalty. Logistics revolutionized too. Same-day delivery became reality. Drones tested in 2013, and autonomous warehouses used robots by 2012. Blockchain entered in 2018 with crypto payments, NFTs, and Web3 promised decentralized marketplaces. Today, augmented reality lets you try on clothes virtually. Voice shopping via Alexa and Google Assistant grows fast. The metaverse hints at virtual stores and immersive worlds. By 2025, live streaming sales dominate in Asia. TikTok Shop and Instagram Live drive impulse buys. E-commerce platforms evolve faster than ever, blending physical and digital seamlessly. E-commerce did more than change shopping. It reshaped society. Before online stores, retail meant driving to malls, browsing aisles, and carrying bags home. Now, over 2.7 billion people shop digitally. That is 1/3 of the planet. It democratized access. Small sellers on Etsy or Shopify reach global audiences without storefronts. Women entrepreneurs thrive as platforms lower barriers. Economically, it created millions of jobs in warehousing, delivery, and tech. Yet, it disrupted traditional retail. Over 10,000 U.S. stores closed since 2010. Culturally, events like Cyber Monday emerged. In 2005, it coined the term for post-Thanksgiving online frenzy. Sales topped $12 billion last year. Globalization intensified. You buy handmade crafts from Kenya or electronics from Shenzhen with one click. Borders blur. Sustainability debates rage. Fast fashion sites like Shein ship cheaply but generate waste. Green initiatives push eco-friendly packaging. Privacy concerns rise with data collection. Scandals like Cambridge Analytica highlighted risks. E-commerce fostered new behaviors. Unboxing videos on YouTube inspire purchases. Influencer marketing sways billions. In developing countries, it leapfrogs infrastructure. Jumia in Africa delivers where roads end. Overall, e-commerce turned consumers into creators. Reviews and social proof build trust. It empowered individuals in a connected world. Now for some mind-blowing tidbits that show just how wild e-commerce history is. First, the very first online shopper was Jane Snowball in 1984. She bought flowers and chocolates from her home in the UK using Minitel. Second, eBay's first item sold was a broken laser pointer for $14. The buyer collected broken pointers. Third, Amazon's very first sale was a science book titled Fluid Concepts and Creative Analogies. Fourth, in 1994, the first banner ad appeared on hotwire.com. It featured AT&T and asked if you had heard of it. 44% clicked. Fifth, China's Singles Day on Alibaba generated over $100 billion in 2023. That dwarfs Black Friday. Sixth, the most expensive eBay item ever was a private island for $300 million. Seventh, during the pandemic, e-commerce sales jumped 60% in 1 year. Toilet paper sold out worldwide in hours. Eighth, voice commerce will account for half of smart speaker interactions by next year. These facts remind us how unpredictable and innovative this space remains. From Michael Aldrich's TV terminal to metaverse malls, e-commerce evolved from a fringe experiment to a trillion-dollar titan. Key platforms like Amazon and Alibaba drove relentless innovation. Along the way, it altered cultures, economies, and daily lives. As we look ahead, expect more AI, sustainability, and immersive experiences. One thing is certain, online commerce will keep transforming our world. If this journey through e-commerce history sparked your interest, hit that like button and subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives. Share your first online purchase in the comments below. What surprised you most today? Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep questioning the objects around you. See you soon.